Welcome to our BellBuys presentation. We thank you all for being here. BellBuys is a web application designed for gamers of all levels. Before we go into our presentation, let's meet our team.
Hi, I'm Valryan Gabriel. I am a U.S. Navy veteran and served from 2012 to 2016. I recently graduated with a bachelor's in computer science in December. I love to go bowling on my free time, and my favorite game of all time is Gears of War.
Hello, I'm Daniel Tolchek. I served in the Marine Corps from 2004 to 2009. I'm currently working on obtaining my bachelor's degree in cybersecurity and information assurance. My favorite game of all time is Skyrim.
Hi, my name is George Silva. I'm a United States Marine Corps veteran. I served from 2002 to 2007. I am a biochem major turned software engineer, and my favorite game of all time is Call of Duty.
Hi, my name is Brian LeBay, and I am a 9-year U.S. Army veteran. I also recently graduated with my Bachelor of Science in Computer Science at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. I love the tech industry, and my favorite video game right now is Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for the Nintendo Switch.
My name is Pavel Bogdanov. I'm a 7-year Army veteran turned software developer. I'm very happy to finally graduate from Platoon. My favorite video game of all time is Hitman 2. Online video gaming is a giant industry that shows no signs of slowing down. As more and more people are playing online video games, they notice inherent problems and drawbacks that come with the experience. One of the common problems is that chat rooms are full of strangers. New gamers often feel left out as everybody else is in a private chat room. Gamers have different platforms, interests, and preferences. It is difficult to establish friendships with other gamers without knowing more about them. Our BellBuys app is the answer that the gaming community has been looking for. Our app enables gamers like me to play online games with all of my friends. Built-in features allow for easy social interaction between like-minded people. Gamers are finally able to see each other's profiles, preferences, and favorite video games. Our BellBuys app turns complete strangers into friends. And now, my buddy Val will showcase some of the features.
Thanks, Pavel. For this demo, we'll be following along with one of our fellow users named The Lonely Gamer. When The Lonely Gamer first enters the site, they'll be greeted with a login menu. From here, they would enter their email and password to log in. Upon login, on the left, you will see The Lonely Gamer's picture and name displayed, as well as their username, The Lonely Gamer. As you can see in the post section, The Lonely Gamer's most recent post seems to be the aftermath from having a bad game. They feel pretty bad about that and decide to delete it. Now that that's gone, The Lonely Gamer feels in the mood to play some Fortnite and decides to post who's down to play some Fortnite for others to see. Now that that's posted, everyone who views this gamer's profile will be able to see it. The Lonely Gamer takes a look at their gaming preferences and notices it's still set from the last time they played Call of Duty. So they decide it's time to change it and click on Edit Gaming Preferences. After clicking the button, The Lonely Gamer is directed to Edit Gaming Preferences, where they can decide the game, the platform, and whether or not they want to play with competitive gamers or casual gamers. By filling this out, it'll allow other Lonely Gamers out there searching for the same gaming preferences to find them. As you can see now, The Lonely Gamer's gaming preferences have been changed and are now displayed on their profile. Now that their gaming preferences are all set, it's time to take a look for some buddies to play with. After clicking Buddy Finder, The Lonely Gamer is shown a filtering system that allows them to filter out players that fit their needs. As you can see, the same options from the gaming preferences are shown. Right now, the gamer really wants to play Fortnite and sets the gaming preferences to their desired needs of PC, Fortnite, and competitive. Wow, there are a lot of players with the same gaming interests as The Lonely Gamer. The Lonely Gamer is excited to see so many different gamers and decides to click on El Barto to view their profile. On El Barto's profile, The Lonely Gamer reads the About Me section, double checks that the gamer's gaming preferences match theirs, and checks out El Barto's post. This gamer seems like someone the Lonely Gamer would love to game with, and sends El Barto a friend request. From here, I'll pass it on to my buddy Brian.
Thank you, Val. So now, after the Lonely Gamer sends the buddy request, they want to make sure that it went through. So they go back to profile and they go to send buddy request, and they see, yes, it did. So this reminds the Lonely Gamer to check their own buddy requests. They're gonna go back to profile, and they're going to click on received buddy requests. And oh wow, hey, it looks like they have a buddy request from Ninja. Ninja is a famous Fortnite streamer that the Lonely Game watches on the streaming service Twitch. And so if I had to guess, I'm thinking that the Lonely Gamer will probably accept this buddy request. And we were right. So now the Lonely Gamer will go back to profile, go to all my buddies to send Ninja a message. While the Lonely Gamer is here, they remember that the Lube hasn't been active in a while and decides to unbuddy him. He was probably busy with group projects and didn't have time for video games. So hopefully they can buddy up again later. And now that that's done, the Lonely Gamer sends a message to Ninja, and from here, I will pass it to my buddy, Dan.
Thanks, Brian. Here we can see all of the Lonely Gamer's previous chat sessions. It looks like the Lube did not respond to the message that the Lonely Gamer sent them. Could be why the Lonely Gamer unbuddied them. Right now, though, the Lonely Gamer wants to talk to their new buddy, Ninja. The Lonely Gamer goes down the list preview and finds the chat with Ninja. We can see at the top there that there are 2 members in this chat session, and both are online. Hopefully, this means we'll see a response from Ninja soon. Now that the Lonely Gamer is connected with Ninja, they have the opportunity to talk a bit, learn a little bit about each other, and decide if they would be a good fit as teammates. They're free to exchange gamer tags, Twitch stream links, and schedule a time to play with each other. Battle Buddies chat allows gamers to express themselves through emojis and GIF images, as well as react to each other's messages. We have now seen that a gamer can avoid the awkwardness of playing matches with random players by using Battle Buddies to build a profile, express their thoughts, find buddies to game with, communicate, and have an overall better online gaming experience. I think we've all been the lonely gamer before. With Battle Buddies, we no longer have to feel alone. I'll now pass to my buddy George, who will close us out.
Thanks, Dan. Some of the technologies we used to build this web app was Django REST API for the backend, React and JavaScript for the front end. We used Postgres as a database, and we deployed to Heroku. We also used Stream API for our user-to-user messaging. We did encounter some challenges during this build. One of them was working remote in different time zones, since some of our members lived in different parts of the country and some in another country. Another one was time. When you're building an application from scratch, days seem to last only minutes, so we really had to use our time management skills wisely. Also, managing scope. With the hard deadline, we had to be realistic with what features we wanted to implement and which ones we want to build in the future. Some stretch goals for the future. We want to be able to edit notifications. We want to see real-time newsfeed and also import stats from various video games, such as win-loss record in Call of Duty. And that concludes our presentation. Anyone have any questions for us?